Well, we at ET now are a firm believer that you should always convert a crisis into an opportunity. Mark Twain once famously wrote that history may not repeat itself, but it will certainly rhyme. And within financial markets also, crises will always happen, and boom and bust cycles are always real. Let me take the clock back and remind our viewers that post 2001 terror attack, or the post the 9/11 attack, if you bought into stocks, or post the famous GFC crisis, global financial crisis, if you stayed the course and invested in equity mutual funds or equities, you actually were handsomely rewarded. The best way to invest in this kind of a market is where the volatility is back and it's difficult to gauge individual stocks. One should really consider investing in index funds. Index funds are easy, they're simple, and if market valuation data is anything to go by, they have always made money when you bought into mutual funds at the time of crisis. Let's look at today's data, which is we've analyzed the market cap to GDP. It's a very easy way of understanding the value of the market. And historically, when crises have happened, the market cap to the GDP ratio has plunged below 1, sometimes even below half. But each instances, when you bought into index funds, when the market cap to GDP has gone anywhere around half a time or 0.75 time, the rewards in next 1 year are quite rewarding and quite appealing. So that's the proposition, or that's the data point I like to bring out again, which is that never waste a crisis. And the simple way to start planning your financial investment is to participate in index funds. They're cheap, they are simple, and they are easy to execute. In markets, remember, good news and good prices, it rarely comes together. Right now, news is bad and prices selectively are good. So if you do not have the judgment of judging individual stocks, and if you can look beyond the pain of next 3 months, for a medium to a long-term investor, index investing in this kind of a market could be a decent proposition.